Hello and welcome back to the marketing and communication class. Today we are going to discuss the importance of customer service in a business. Previously, we defined customer service as the support and assistance that is provided to customers before, during, and after a purchase. It is typically reactive. That means it happens when a customer has a specific question or problem. So what is the importance of customer service? And candidates in a competitive environment where competition is fierce and where word of mouth travels faster than WhatsApp status, customer service is the ultimate differentiator. It's not just about solving problems. No, customer service is a strategic investment that directly impacts the company's bottom line or the profitability of a company. So, why is customer service the heart of any business? The first reason is in relation to the financials. Customer service has financial impact on revenues and profit. The first reason is financial impact. Customer service has a financial impact on profitability. Exceptional service isn't just being nice to have. It is not just to say that company A is nice to its customers. No, it's a profit driver. Research has shown that businesses prioritizing better service can grow revenues 4 to 8% above their market. And also, roughly about 60 or 70% of customers are willing to pay more for a brand known for great service. And that is why people return to the same seller every time. You'll find people returning to the same Mamamboga or to the same kinyozi or to the same mechanic, even if a cheaper one opens nearby. When they do that, they are paying for the peace of mind they get when they buy that service or product. You understand? Yes, so there is a financial impact. It directly impacts the financials. It financially impacts the bottom line. The second reason for having customer service, the importance of customer service is that of cost effective. Okay, cost effective. Proper customer service, excellent customer service. In our last session, we discussed about excellent customer service, ways to excellently serve your customer. Why should you do that? It is cost effective because of retention versus acquisition. The cost of retaining an existing customer is cheaper than the cost of acquiring a new one. Acquiring a new customer may cost 5 to 25 times more than keeping an existing one. Understand? Yes. So it's cost effective. The third reason is in relation to competitive advantage. Competitive. It gives you a competitive advantage or edge. Competitive edge. In many industries like retail, like salons, like hardware stores, products and services are almost identical. If you go to a shop, the sugar that competitor A sells is the same one you are selling, because this retail, you are selling products for the same producers. You may find that traders are selling the same product. There is no difference. So customer service then becomes the only differentiator. If you are in an industry and you are all competitors are selling, all suppliers are selling the same product, The only thing that differentiates the businesses is not the product, because the products are the same. The only thing that differentiates is just customer service. Customer service is often the only way to stand out when you are dealing with products that are the same in the market. If two shops sell the same, say, gas cylinders at the same price, the one that delivers with a smile delivers with a smile and a thank you. A smile and a thank you SMS will win the neighborhood. But the one you go to is just frowning, like the way my producer here is frowning, always frowning, okay? Not smiling. People will not come to buy your product. So the way you serve becomes the only differentiator. And even the smaller companies can use personalized service to beat large corporations that often feel robotic or out of touch. Understand? Yes. Can give you a competitive edge, especially when you are selling the same products in the market. We are discussing the importance of customer service. Number 4, brand reputation and social proof. Brand reputation and social proof. That's another reason. Brand reputation and social proof. Brand reputation and social proof. Now, in the age of social media, one bad interaction can reach thousands of potential customers in an instant. Just one bad interaction. One bad interaction with one customer. That one customer can cause you to lose your brand reputation instantly. Is that we call multiplier effect. A satisfied customer, on the other hand, might tell 3 people, but an angry customer, especially on TikTok or on the Facebook group, will tell 3,000 people. So positive service turns customers into brand ambassadors. It can go either way. The way you treat your customers, that will be amplified. If you treat customers well, your business will grow. If you treat them badly, then it will have a negative impact on your reputation. Understand? So when employees, that we are talking about customers, brand reputation, and social proof. That's another reason why customer service is important. Treat customers well, and they will be your brand ambassadors. That is the 4th reason why customer service is important. Number 5 is in relation to employees. Employee morale. Employee morale increases the morale of the employees. Employee morale and also retention. There is a direct link between happy customers and happy staff. Happy customers, there is a correlation between happy customers, a positive one, and happy employees. When employees are trained and are empowered to provide great service, they feel pride in their work. They feel more proud of their work. When they are trained and they are empowered to offer great service, they are motivated to do so, which again affects their dealing with the customers. And staff are less likely to quit if they spend their day having positive interactions than fighting with frustrated customers or clients. In other words, if you don't train your employees well, and in our previous sessions we showed you how to develop a program on training. If employees are not well trained, they will not be able to serve customers well. Okay, they will meet frustrated customers who will frustrate them more, because employees should be trained to deal with the difficult customers. So when employees on day to day they meet difficult customers who spoil their day, they spoil their mood, they are likely to quit the job because the job is hectic. They are not able to handle the difficult customers because they are not well trained. But if you train them on how to handle these employees, then they are motivated. They are not frustrated. That's why we said there is a correlation. There is a direct link between the happy employees and the happy staff. So train your staff, they be happy, they treat the employees well. They treat the customers well. But if the employees are not well trained, they may mistreat even the customers because they don't know how to handle difficult situations. So these are 5 reasons why customer service is important. Number 1, it has direct impact on financials. It is cost effective, can give you a competitive edge. It positively impacts brand reputation. It also leads to increase of employee morale. These are 5 reasons why customer service is important. Thank you for attending the lesson. Bye-bye.